Well, if I talk of me, but Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know how I really are going. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers, and we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, boss a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, Miss Valerie Nita Robertson is receiving strong criticism, viewers and subscribers. First and foremost, her statements has reached the ears of the public, and she said that she was not surprised that the appeal court denied Vybz Kartel's appeal. She said her concerns were raised because of the public personifications of statements being perpetrated or posted or reported by the state correctional facilities, saying that a phone was found. And also the fact that she said the appeal court judges still believe that the voice note, yes, some people are saying it was made because it was reported that he went live, but the appeal court, their official statement is that the voice notes from the initial trial was still enough to give a conviction, or how would I say, a sentencing, get a conviction out of the whole proceedings. I would say or suggest that what them should focus on is not the fact that voice notes were received, but the fact that if every other part of the evidence was tampered with, why was not the voice note spliced? Why them can't feel like a something else the teacher that talk about? The fact is, because them have the teacher's voice saying certain things, them feel like no, that is enough for them. Now some people are saying that Miss Nita Robertson failed the teacher. Some people were taking their concerns on social media, and she herself even responded. Not think mama should do that. She say, I can't afford my services anyway. But separate and apart from that, I will say this: I have heard more from Miss Nita Robertson on this whole case than Mr. Tavares or even Sean Storm's lawyer himself. So I definitely say she do her job, in my personal opinion. I am not a lawyer myself. Some of them know how exactly I would have handled the situation if I was legal representation. I do not have a law degree. I mean, I did not practice law. But we can say, yo, as a lawyer, she's a Queen's Counsel. She's been doing it for a number of years. You know what I mean? And nobody wants a loss to their record. Everybody wants that win. So no doubt she tried her best, if even just for that alone, for have the win to her record. Because she become a lawyer superstar. Yeah, should I be one of the lawyers who was on the legal team who get Vybz Kartel acquitted? Remember what happened to all everybody was associated with the Simpson case, the OJ Simpson case. Everybody turned stars and superstars. Even the Kardashians became superstars based on just what took place with that trial. Now, viewers and subscribers, the next move though, Miss Valerie Nita definitely spoke about that as well, and that's the Privy Council in England. Yes, we are still a Commonwealth, or in a Commonwealth country. So, with that being said, we have Commonwealth jurisdictions, them would I say. So, our highest appeal court is actually the Privy Council in England, not the appeal courts here. No, some people didn't know that. The highest appeal court we have is actually one in England. So that was the move overall, and that is why it has been long speculated that that would have been the move. We don't say that from the fact saying that takes so long or that delay the process so long. We are saying, no, a Privy Council won't go. But this had to be wrapped up so that we could have moved it on to the Privy Council. So maybe what going on is locally, nobody wants to step on anybody's toes. Meaning say, the appeal court judges now step on the prosecution and the other judge that preside on the initial trial toes. Meaning to them I say, yo, we no wrong for one to do. We never handle this proceedings the right way, and they look like they were incompetent, and them don't want to say that. So they must say, no, I'm going to wrap up this, and then it can go overseas. And what they must say overseas, they will. Because I would say, presiding over these matters were third world minded individuals. And Vybz Kartel is a worldwide star doing music, which I think is not really appreciated by the powers that be. Only when it's convenient for them. A first world minded judge might be looking at the situation very, very differently. So that'd be a good move. Take the move to the Privy Council. I definitely support that move as well too. So, with all being said, we stand strong. This not gonna break you. Vybz Kartel already said, mentally, we refuse to bow. Physically too. Yeah, we refuse to be swayed by situations and circumstances, things where some people are say. No, we plan to continue to put in the work and do what we need to do. For continue to push on and persevere. Definitely a sad situation nonetheless. The entire nation, even as a matter of fact, the entire world was waiting to hear that Vybz Kartel would be freed. And that everybody are wait for. We never wait for nothing else. That was the vibe. So if you say no, the teacher will not be freed at this time. Can I definitely, you know what I mean? That was a vibe tweet. Some people that say that disheartening. There are some who say, yo, Jano Star, will the artist ever be released? Freedom is a must. We'll not stop saying it. Freedom is a must and we'll not stop saying it. These things, however, definitely shine some light on Jamaica and how our legal system, the way matters are handled. Them always says that we need international help at all times. And this I definitely concur with that statement. Because clearly our courts are saying that we can't handle the matter. With all our going, no, we can't handle the matter. Because then basically I said the same vice notes them way. Use an initial trial. At that them I go say, Ray. When it was cross-examined, said the evidence, the cyber evidence was tampered with. They've accessed these voice notes multiple times. And the recordings them so you can splice and cut off. And with a voice, you can have other voice recordings of different conversations pertaining to different things. And then if the voice speak at a certain cadence, you can cut it and mix it back and put it with other pieces and nothing hard. Remember, the person will access these encrypted files for splice a voice note and nothing to them. These are cyber, what I call them? These are officers in charge of the cyber unit. I know nothing for them splice a voice note. You know, take them 5 minutes for splice couple voice note. It's a program I gonna do it, just a cut and paste. Just like we do it words. Basically just cut and paste. So fear them say yo based on the voice notes, them gonna uphold the initial conviction. Yo, me I say no. Me I say no. Talk to me. I know how you feel. What are your thoughts on the whole matter? Were you, just like Miss Nita said, not surprised that they chose to uphold the verdict handed out initially? I don't know if you're surprised and outraged as most individuals are. There are some over and true supporters too. And I said them I work on this now. There are true supporters, but they just have to say, yo, to the way it pop up as a surprise, say yes, tomorrow we're gonna get the verdict. Even Miss Nita never get enough time to notify the public, say yes, she received the letter. It's almost like Zip and Miss Nita received the letter same time. That's not supposed to happen. That's not supposed to happen. We're supposed to need confirmation from either the prosecution or the legal defense team, because the judge, the appeal court not supposed to contact the media. That within itself is strange. Food for thought. We got reason about it. But it's the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and viewers and subscribers. I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the movement, new to the channel, you just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I am suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon right after that, and put it on all. And this is how you will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon today as well. Drop a like on the blog for me, like we here. The share icon is also there as well. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reason, and join the discussion. You know the something go. Comment section is open. Be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions. There are move settings fam. And we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours, if we want to live, love, and prosper until we reason again.